Prosperity. It's a word that evokes images of abundance, success, and fulfillment. In the stock market, it's about growing your wealth steadily. In life, it's about achieving your goals and living a meaningful life. The path to prosperity is paved with principles. These principles are like guiding stars, leading you towards your desired destination. In the stock market, patience is not just a virtue, it's a necessity. It is the foundation upon which a successful investor's future rests. Without patience, you might get sidetracked by the market's volatility and fluctuations. Don't expect to get rich quickly. It's a long journey that requires time and understanding. In the pursuit of quick profits, you might stray from your long-term goals. Look for long-term growth. Just as a tree grows slowly, your investments also mature over time. With patience and discipline, you can watch your investments flourish. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on market hype. Impulsive decisions often lead to losses. Make decisions thoughtfully and only after analysis. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are successful portfolios. It takes time and patience to build a strong and stable portfolio. Just as a farmer patiently nurtures his crops, a patient investor nurtures his investments. The farmer knows that the harvest requires time and care. He understands that proper growth takes time. With time, patience, and dedication, your investments will also bear fruit. He doesn't get affected by short-term market fluctuations. He knows that market volatility is temporary and the long-term view is more important. He stays focused on the long-term horizon. By focusing on long-term goals, he can make his investments secure and profitable. Investing without research is like navigating a maze blindfolded. You need to understand what you're investing in. Study the company, its financials, and its management. Knowledge reduces risk and maximizes returns. This principle extends to life as well. Continuous learning is essential for growth. Read books, take courses, and learn from your experiences. The more you learn, the better equipped you are to navigate the complexities of life. Every investment carries risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio across different asset classes. Have a plan for different market scenarios. Remember, managing risk is as crucial as identifying opportunities. Life, too, is full of risks. But don't let fear paralyze you. Assess the risks, take calculated risks, and be prepared for different outcomes. Remember, the biggest risk is not taking any risk. Section 5. The power of persistence. Never giving up. The stock market is a roller coaster ride. There will be ups and downs. Don't be disheartened by temporary setbacks. Learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. Remember, persistence is what separates the winners from the quitters. This principle holds true in life as well. Obstacles and challenges are inevitable. But it is our persistence, our unwavering determination to succeed, that helps us overcome these obstacles and achieve our goals. Section 6. Embracing change. Adaptability in life. Adaptability is a crucial skill in our ever-evolving world. It allows us to navigate through the uncertainties and challenges that life throws our way. The market is constantly evolving. It teaches us that stability is an illusion and change is the only constant. New trends emerge and old ones fade away. This process reminds us that we should always stay updated with the latest trends and technologies. Be adaptable and be willing to adjust your strategies. This flexibility not only helps us survive, but also gives us the opportunity to thrive. Don't be afraid to learn new things and embrace change. Learning is a continuous process, and every new skill makes us more capable. Remember, the only thing constant is change. With time, seasons change, and so do the different phases of our lives. Just as a chameleon adapts to its environment, we too should learn to adapt to the changing landscape of life. This adaptability helps us succeed in different situations. Be open to new ideas, as these ideas help us move forward and innovate. Be willing to step out of your comfort zone. This adventurous step leads us to new possibilities and opportunities. And embrace the opportunities that change brings. Every new opportunity gives us a new chance to learn and grow, making our lives even richer. Section 7. Actionable steps for success. Start by defining your financial goals. Create a budget and stick to it. Invest consistently, even if it's a small amount. Seek advice from financial experts when needed. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. In life as well, it's crucial to set goals. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps. This makes the journey less daunting and more achievable. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Section 8. Real-life examples of triumph. Consider the story of Warren Buffett. He started early, invested wisely, and remained patient. Today, he is one of the most successful investors. His story is a testament to the power of these principles. There are countless examples of people from all walks of life who have achieved great things through hard work, perseverance, and a positive attitude. Their stories serve as a source of inspiration, reminding us that anything is possible if we set our minds to it. Section 9. The importance of a positive mindset. Your mindset is your most powerful asset. Believe in yourself and your ability to succeed. Stay positive, even when things are tough. Remember, a positive mindset attracts positive outcomes. A positive mindset is like a magnet, drawing good things into your life. It helps you see opportunities where others see obstacles. It gives you the strength to overcome challenges and emerge stronger on the other side. Section 10. A continuous journey of growth. This journey is not just about reaching a destination, but about the experiences and lessons we gather along the way. Prosperity is not a destination, it's a journey. This journey gives us the opportunity to understand the depths within us and harmonize with the outside world. Never stop learning, growing, and improving. Every day is a new opportunity, a new chapter that gives us a chance to become better. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. These challenges make us stronger. They make us realize our capabilities. Remember, the greatest investment you can make is in yourself. Make time for your mental, physical, and spiritual growth. Life is a continuous learning process. Every day teaches us something new, takes us in new directions. Every experience, every conversation, every book we read teaches us something valuable. These experiences enrich us, give us new perspectives. Embrace this journey of growth with open arms. This journey not only helps us understand the external world, but also the world within us. Never stop learning, never stop exploring, and never stop trying to be the best version of yourself. This journey is endless, and every step takes us closer to our destination.